sure to follow my Instagram, Marspeed_official. It's a good place for more car content, and I'll answer all your questions and DMs there. Hey guys, so I just wanted to share my experience where I bought too many rims and learned the hard way that there's a difference between all-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive rims for the Mopars. So it looks like I can open a rim store here, but winter is coming and I don't want to use my summer tires and destroy my Hellcat rims, so I was hunting for a winter setup. So on the right we have my stock wheels that came with the car, 17 inches, and I'm no longer using them anymore, so they're just staying in storage. And I went to Kijiji to try and find some different bigger wheels for the winter. So over on the left here we have some 18-inch rims that I picked up, used with 225/60 Firestone Winter Force tires attached. And I figured that they would fit since they were off an Dodge Magnum, and I thought that I had found a great deal until I realized that the rims were off an all-wheel drive Magnum. So the offset is way different for all-wheel drive rims. So as you can notice, these all-wheel drive rims look straighter because they have a positive offset of 55mm, where the rear-wheel drive rims look more inwards, and they have an offset of only 24mm. So these all-wheel drive rims literally did not fit on the car because the all-wheel drive rims are too close to the axle and it would touch the suspension on my rear-wheel drive Charger. So I had to hunt for some rear-wheel drive rims and ended up finding these nice used 18-inch OEM ones that will fit. I think they were used on some Daytonas and other Chargers, so they look pretty good. I just need to throw on the winter tires from the other rims and I'll be good to go. So I'll make a video showing these rims on the car, and I'll be doing something to them as well, maybe some Plasti Dip, but it's sad to see the big Hellcat wheels going off soon. But yeah, I just wanted to say to be careful of buying used rims online. I was pretty dumb and didn't even realize my mistake until it was way too late, so now I have too many rims. I did find a great website called Hubcap Haven that says all the specs of every OEM wheel ever made. So you will find details on the different wheel measurements if you want to make sure some wheels fit on your car if you're buying them used, and you can also buy them off the site, but they're quite expensive. I also just found it really cool to look through all the different wheels that the Dodge has made over the years, and it even says which car each wheel comes on as well. But yeah, so that's it guys, thanks for watching, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you next video.